Apple's about to drop a new budget iPhone, and thanks to a major leak from Spigen, we've got our first real look at the iPhone SE4. The popular case maker accidentally published product listings showing detailed renders of their cases with the new iPhone SE4, and even though they quickly took them down, the damage was done. Let's break down everything these images reveal. First up, the design is a complete departure from previous SE models. Remember those thick bezels and home button? They're history. The SE4 is adopting the iPhone 14's design language, complete with a notch at the top. And no, it's not getting the dynamic island. Apple's keeping that premium feature for their flagship devices. This means something big for SE users. Touch ID is officially dead. The SE4 is transitioning to Face ID, making it the first budget iPhone to feature Apple's facial recognition technology. Looking at the back of the device, there's a single camera lens. But don't let that fool you. Sources suggest it's housing a powerful 48-megapixel sensor. This could be a massive upgrade for SE photographers, potentially bringing the budget line's camera capabilities closer to its premium siblings. One of the most interesting revelations from these renders is the action button. Yes, the same customizable button from the iPhone 15 Pro series is making its way to the SE line, replacing the traditional mute switch. This is huge news for budget-conscious users who want premium features. Another significant change? The SE4 is finally getting USB-C. This isn't just Apple being generous, it's a direct response to EU regulations making USB-C mandatory. This means faster data transfer speeds and universal charging compatibility. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. According to multiple sources, including Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, who has an excellent track record with Apple leaks, the SE4 will pack the same 18 chip that's destined for the iPhone 16. This is unprecedented. We are talking about Apple's latest silicon in their budget device, which could make the SE4 an absolute powerhouse for its price point. Speaking of price, reports suggest we're looking at around $500. Yes, that's a bump up from the previous SE, but let's put this in perspective. You're getting a modern full-screen design, Face ID, the latest A18 chip, a 48-megapixel camera, an action button, and USB-C connectivity. This feels like a pivotal moment for Apple's budget line. The SE series has always been about making iPhone features more accessible, but this is different. Apple isn't just updating the SE, they're fundamentally reimagining what a budget iPhone can be. With the same chip as the flagship models and premium features like Face ID and the action button, the line between budget and premium is getting increasingly blurry. The launch is apparently just days away, so we won't have to wait long to see if these leaks are accurate. If they are, the iPhone SE4 could be the most exciting budget phone of 2024. If you want to see how Apple's upcoming foldable phone will look like, watch this video up here. You can also check out what Apple's thinnest iPhone will look like from down here. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.